Hey, if you cannot connect your JBL Charge 6 into your device, or for example it's keep disconnecting, let me show you how you can try to fix this. So first of all, you have to turn on your speaker by using that button, and right now you will have to simultaneously click on the play button and the volume up button at the same time. So let's click and hold both buttons. Now all indicators lights up and then turns off. And right now, on your phone, I will highly recommend you to go into the settings and be sure that you just simply remove this speaker if you are previously connected, but also switch off Bluetooth on your phone. Now click on the power key on the speaker, and when it lights up, click on the Bluetooth button to enter for the pairing mode. Now click on the Bluetooth switcher to turn on pairing, and on your device, just go to the Bluetooth list and try to connect this manually by selecting from available devices list and accepting the pair request. As you can see, in my case it's working, and right now I am successfully connected. But if you still have this issue, then maybe the issue is with your device, not with the speaker. So I will highly recommend you to go and search for some settings like reset. So in my case, I have to open the system settings, go into reset options, and try to reset Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi settings to the default state.